then, hobbyists. This is an urgent appeal for the unloved Tamiya vehicles. This Christmas, thousands of people will know the joy of having a Tamiya RC, the thrill of what's inside the box and planning the build. But each year hundreds of these amazing models will be put into lofts and attics around the world, never to see the light of day again. Some will be left on shelves to be gawked at, while some will also be just thrown away. This has to stop now. Get those la-di-da glass cases open, go up into the attic and rescue them from the dust and uncertain futures, wipe them down, look on auction sites for spare parts, or list them so they can go to new homes. Remember, a Tamiya is for life, not just for Christmas. A few months ago, you will remember that we rescued some Tamiya models from a work colleague of the chief engineer, as they had been left in his loft for some time. Over the past few weeks, these have been stripped, fixed, and just generally being brought back into full working order. Two of the models was the Tamiya Hotshot 2 and the Tamiya Avante, so we brought them to our winter venue of Theatre Clwyd to see how these brilliant Tamiya models are adapting to their new life. They both ran really well. Well, almost. Sadly, the Hotshot 2 started making this noise. It seems that the teeth went on the gearbox joints. Also, the Avante battery only lasted 10 minutes. Wow, the power! Tell you what, we don't need cameras, we can get a sketch artist at this rate. Oh, and this. But have you seen inside this driving thing?
What?
You seen inside? I think
It's twisted up.
a heavy breather. So you don't miss out on further videos and similar nonsense, please like, feel free to comment, definitely subscribe, and press that bell-shaped thingy to be woken up at all hours for further content. But for now, that's your lot.